There are people out there that don't know the magnitude of how awesome our service is. And this bright light in my face is really annoying, but whatever. Call with Sargis, he's my customer. There's actually I think there's a YouTube short out, which basically kind of demonstrates Sargis' appreciation. And if you look at it, it was actually within 10 days ago. This is a conversation that you should listen to. Sargis is my client, along with Carl. I made a video about him, along with a bunch of other people. There's just too many people to count. Um, and I want you guys to listen to this conversation so you can kind of understand the Pinnacle credit repair experience in working with me personally. And actually, this person isn't even working with me personally, but I'm still helping him. And so instead of listening to people's opinions about people trying to say this or that, or even myself, don't formalize an opinion, reserve your judgment, and just observe this conversation and do your research. I highly encourage you to do your research. Really intelligent people hire me, okay? Most of my clients are really intelligent people, people that aren't easily swayed by emotional things, people that use both sides of the brain and think and analyze and ponder, right? These are the type of people that I love to work with. Notice that I won't just work with anyone, right? So I can pick and choose. I have the liberty to pick and choose who I work with, right? And if I don't want to work with you, I don't have to, right? Seriously. If we don't vibe, if you don't respect the capacities and the parameters of my working space, then go find someone that can dispute by mail. So don't listen to me. Listen to Sargis, what he has to say. Sargis hired Lexington Law. And I think a multi-million dollar company with tons of resources and actual lawyers can do a. And I think a company with that many resources can do better than some bum living in a trailer park. All right. So look at the audacity and the arrogance of people. These people that have no credentials and they've been in the game for they've been in the industry. It's definitely not a game. They've been in the industry for 1 year and they're acting like they know what they're talking about. They don't. 99.
These letters, emails from creditors. I mean, and like fast as possible, as soon as possible, as soon as I start working with you guys. Scam takes forever. Maybe I never receive anything, any response. There's no activity. But through you guys, it's like, well, every day I receive something. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, every day I receive absolutely. One of the things is communication. There's no communication through Lexington, not enough communication, and you're always in the sky looking for something on the air. But through you guys, always, every day, I receive something. I know there's somebody who's working on my case. I wasn't expecting this much fast, you know. I mean, I really appreciate your communication, your help. I know there is a more expensive plan that you guys offer that the owner of the Pinnacle personally takes those cases, but you're still taking my case on a cheaper plan and you know helping me with my credit. That's beyond expectations. I watch your videos. Everything is clear, and I get much more good information from your videos and information that you share. Quick question: if after Discover gets removed, what's the expectation of the like how many points will help to jump my credit just from uh, Discover alone? No questions. Everything is clear. Looking forward to work with you guys on more. Um, just waiting for more letters to come so I can scan an email to you guys right away. You too, man. Thank you. Thanks for your call. Bye-bye.
Fortunately, you only got the audio from his phone. My audio didn't. I did a screen record on my phone, and I shouldn't have done that. Now I know not to do that. And it only caught his audio. But based upon the conversation, you can see what we're talking about, right? So let me just kind of explain how that went. So he's been a customer for 10 days, and immediately, you need to watch the short. I'll leave it here. And he congratulated us or praised us for our immediate response of getting the response back from the bureaus super quick. And yeah, he's already getting responses from the creditors. There's no accounts that are coming back as verified and all that. Like, this is all BS, what people say. So yeah, he's used Lexington Law before, and he wasn't satisfied. Lexington Law disputes by mail, and all the people on YouTube, they learned from other people from YouTube, and they all dispute by mail. It's really slow, and it's not really effective. So just by the fact they're disputing by mail means they're super slow, and there's no argument against it. This guy already tried Lexington Law. If there's other people, they do the same thing as Lexington Law. They dispute by mail. So ask yourself this. Do you think a guy living in the dirty South in a trailer park knows more about credit repair than the actual first company that in the biggest credit repair company? Like, what are you guys thinking? Do you think some bum on YouTube knows more than Lexington Law? Given that being, my customers hired Lexington Law and other companies, and they come to me and they see the real deal, right? So that's just the bottom line of like what's going on here. So think about this. Think about that for a moment, okay? We're going to post his results pretty soon. He's been a client for 10 days. And people that are saying that they dispute by mail and they get things removed in 35 days, that's a crock of shit. And I'm going to debunk that in my next video. So yeah, guys, pay